Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer branding to Omnisend campaign creatives easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Omnisend dashboard. Navigate to the Campaigns tab located on the sidebar. Click on Create Campaign to start a new project. Choose the type of campaign you wish to create, such as email or automation. In the campaign setup, select a suitable template that aligns with your branding. Once the template loads, find the Branding section in the Editing panel. Click on the Branding tab to access your branding options. Upload your brand logo if it is not already in the system. Adjust the logo size and placement to ensure it fits well within the design. Next, select your brand colors from the color palette options. If you need to add custom colors, click on the plus icon and input your hex codes. For text elements, choose fonts that are consistent with your branding style. Edit headings and body text to reflect your brand's voice and tone. Now, incorporate any additional images or graphics that enhance your campaign. Make sure to use high-quality visuals that represent your brand effectively. Preview the campaign by clicking on the Preview button to ensure everything looks cohesive. Test the links and buttons to verify they lead to the correct destinations. Once satisfied with the design, save your changes. Proceed to set up your target audience and schedule. Finalize any additional settings, including tracking parameters. Once everything is in place, click Confirm to launch your campaign. Your brand's identity is now seamlessly integrated into your Omnisend campaign creatives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.